In this segment, we are going to discuss about magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. You might read about the Bohr's model of hydrogen atom. In physics, it is in chapter Atoms and Nuclei. According to Bohr's model, the electron revolves around a positively charged nucleus as a planet revolves around the sun. So, if electron revolves, then it constitutes a magnetic dipole moment. How? That we will see in this section. First, the direction of revolving electron is anti-clockwise as suggested by Niels Bohr. So, the current due to revolving electron I equal to E by T, where T is the time period of revolution, and the direction of this current is opposite to the direction of motion of electron, because conventionally the direction of current is taken opposite to the direction of electron. If RB the orbital radius of revolving electron and V the orbital speed, then time period is 2 pi r by V. So I equal to EV by 2 pi r. Now earlier we have already discussed about magnetic moment, M equal to Ia. Thus the magnetic moment due to this current is mu L equal to Ia, and area of this loop is pi r square, and I equal to EV by 2 pi r. So mu L equal to EV by 2 pi r into pi r square, that is EV r by 2. The direction of mu L is into the plane because current is clockwise. So the direction of magnetic field is into the plane, and so the direction of magnetic moment. Also, this mu L, which is equal to EV by r by 2, can be rearranged as E m mass of electron into V into r by twice mass of electron. Just here multiplying the numerator and denominator by mass of electron. And we know mvr is the angular momentum. So mu L equal to E by twice mass of electron into L, where L is the angular momentum of the electron about the nucleus. In vector form, it can be written as mu L vector equal to minus E by twice me by L vector. Negative sign indicates that angular momentum of the electron is opposite to the magnetic moment. Remember, the ratio of magnetic moment to angular momentum of electron will be E by twice me, which is a constant, and this constant is called gyromagnetic ratio. For electron, its value is 8.8 into 10 to the power 10 coulomb per kg. So it is the magnetic moment of revolving electron. Now, electron spin. Any charge in uniform circular motion is associated with magnetic moment. given by expression, that is the mu equal to charge by twice mass of that charge into angular momentum. In 1925, A.C. Gottsmith and G.E. Uhlenbeck recommended that an electron has an inherent angular momentum, that is magnetic moment, and this magnetic moment of revolving electron is recognized as spin. In atomic physics, the inherent angular momentum of particular particle is parameterized by spin quantum number. So the spin quantum number is a fourth number. The rest three are principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. About these we will learn in the higher classes. So here a small brief. Electron spin theory. The electron spin theory describes the electron as a quantum particle instead of simple sphere, as in the classical theory. This theory says that the electron spin direction and its influence on the certain properties like magnetic properties of atom. The dipole moment or magnetic moment of electron is also called orbital magnetic moment. So it is subscript with mu L. Though the electron, besides the orbital moment, electron has an intrinsic magnetic moment which has the same numerical value as of the spin magnetic moment. Though electron is an elementary particle and it does not have an axis to spin around like our Earth or a top, so we used to consider the magnetic dipole moment of revolving electron as an intrinsic magnetic moment, which is very much helpful to study the magnetism in iron and other material at microscopic level, which we will learn in the higher classes. So once again, if we come back for class 12 syllabus part, this part is only in our syllabus, that is magnetic moment of revolving electron. Now here are the two questions for the discussion. What will be the direction of angular momentum and magnetic moment of a particle moving in a horizontal circular plane in clockwise direction as shown in this figure? Let us see. The direction of current, it is the positive charge, so direction of current is clockwise. So by right hand rule, the direction of B is into the plane, so the magnetic moment. Remember, the direction of magnetic moment due to a circular loop is into the direction of magnetic field. Now the direction of motion of this particle is also the clockwise, so the direction of angular momentum, that is L equal to mv cross r. So it is also into the plane of paper. So for positive charge, the direction of magnetic moment and angular momentum is in the same direction. But for electron, both are in opposite direction. Now another question, what is Bohr magneton and what is its value? The minimum value of magnetic moment of revolving electron in a stable orbit of an atom is known as Bohr magneton. Now how we can find its value? Let us see. We know the magnetic moment of electron is E by twice into mass of electron into angular momentum, where angular momentum L equal to nh by 2 pi. It is the quantized condition of Bohr's atomic model for a stable orbit. For revolving electron in different stable orbit, n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here h is the Planck constant, whose value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 24 joule second. The minimum value of magnetic dipole moment is for n equal to 1. So if we substitute n equal to 1, then magnetic moment of revolving electron, the minimum value will be E by twice me into nh by 2 pi, and here if we substitute n equal to 1 and rest all are the constant, we will find its value is 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. This value is called Bohr magneton. Hope you have understood about the magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, which is important for CBSE examination point of view. Thank you.